Multi-tenancy in Azure AD. Multi-tenancy refers to the architecture where a single instance of an application or Azure AD service is designed to serve multiple tenants, organizations or customer accounts. Each tenant's data and configurations are logically isolated but operate on shared resources. Types. 1. Shared tenant, a single Azure AD environment that serves multiple organizations but retains data isolation. 2. Isolated tenant, separate Azure AD instances for each organization, useful for strict compliance requirements. Features. 1. Data isolation, each tenant has isolated data and configurations. 2. Resource sharing, shared infrastructure and resources, leading to cost effectiveness. 3. Scoped policies, different conditional access or security policies can be applied per tenant. 4. Customization, each tenant can have its own branding and user experiences. 5. Global availability, tenants can be geographically distributed but managed from a central location. Capacity. The capacity to add tenants depends on various factors like the Azure subscription level, the size of the organization, and specific Azure limitations. However, Azure AD is robust enough to accommodate the multi-tenant needs of enterprises. Purpose. 1. Cost efficiency, shared resources lead to cost benefits. 2. Manageability, easier to manage multiple entities from a unified dashboard. 3. Compliance, allows organizations to meet varying compliance requirements through isolated or shared architectures. Usage. 1. Tenant creation, admins can create new tenants through the Azure portal. 2. Configuration, separate configurations can be established for each tenant, like SSO, custom domains, etc. 3. User management, users can be added to a specific tenant or shared across tenants. 4. Policy implementation, apply security policies and governance uniquely for each tenant. Summary. Multi-tenancy is the architecture where a single instance of Azure AD serves multiple tenants, organizations. Types includes shared and isolated tenants. Features: data isolation, resource sharing, scoped policies, customization, and global availability are key features. Purpose: aims for cost efficiency, manageability, and compliance. Usage: consists of tenant creation, configuration, user management, and policy implementation. Thanks for watching.